All right, let's see if how far I've gotten with the Bee Factory, which came through Fetch Rewards. So I've got an offline bonus here of KK. So it's basically, million, billion, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K type money points, whatever, on Bee Factory. So I've got up to level 46 and I can't get past any further. I'm going to go ahead and level up and see if I can get, there's nothing else that opens up. So I'm going to go ahead and unlock some new bees. Okay, B. Impson, like Simpson, I guess. Let's check the next one. Fat B. It's interesting. Let's check the next one here. Trump B. Look at there, Trump B. Interesting. Got a little tie and coat on. Neon B. That's cool. Clever. Marbio, like the little race Mario race car driver. Okay, there's some extra points for the golden bee. Collect. Okay, unlock. Let's get the next one. Bull bee. Interesting. Let's get the next one. Butterfly bee. Okay. I don't know who came up with some of these names. Some of them are kind of a stretch. Scarab bee, like the scarab from Egypt. All right, last one. Okay. Emoji bee. Interesting. That's kind of funny. All right, so it does open up more levels. I stopped upgrading my levels. So it looks like it's just going to keep on going. Stage 48. So anyway, it's an interesting little game here. There's so many different bees. I guess they're just going to keep on loading up new bees. Fire bee, R2, B2, Meebitary, QB, Bee Shop, Panda Bee, Ham Beaker, Bee King, Zombie, Iron Bee, Flappy Bee, Biphone. I'm not sure I understand that one. Rugby, that's very clever. Baby, and it's like a little diaper on the baby. Beaver, that's kind of cute. Drone bee, I don't really understand that one. Elect bee, dragonfly bee, billionaire, space bee, bar bee, that's very clever. Bikini, chick bee, golf bee, frisbee, billiard, UFO bee, USB, behemoth, fly bee, zebra bee, snail bee, lemon bee, pickle bee, robot bee, Pikachu, and the plain old bee. So anyway, Green Panda Games, if you guys are interested, taking a look at that. That's kind of a cool little game. And you can do stuff to boost your bee honey money or coins. So anyway, if you like it, hit me up. Let me know what you think. I think I'm about ready to uninstall it. I think I've gone as far as I can go, realistically. So anyway, take care. Have a great one.